Alright, today I'm going to show you how I flatten down a whetstone. In this case I have here a king stone. It's a 6,000 grit. And I've been already using this on several knives and some scissor sharpening. So with that being said, I'm going to get right into it and show you my procedure. I like placing grid lines. Doesn't have to be exact. Okay, it's good enough for me. Here is a 200 grit diamond plate, and of course I like the whetstone wet. Also, it's been soaking, and then I go like this back and forth, and quickly you will see that the sides here are being shaven. That tells you that the high spots are on the sides and the low spots are in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and continue doing this back and forth, rotating my diamond grit and getting rid of those grid lines. Once you get rid of it, that means you're flat. Make sure also that your plate that you're using is truly flat. Usually I can do that right here on this, which is some kind of granite, and if there's play in it, then it's not true, right? So anyways, I start off with a 200, and then I'm going to go to a 600 and leave it at that, and I'm good. So as you can see, we're quickly getting right into it. A few more spots here, and especially down here, and yeah, we'll be there in no time. Rotate this around. Gets really messy real quick. Okay, we're getting there. Looking really good. Now I go this way like this. Get the whole thing. Alright, so in this case my 200 is completed. Shout out to the new 600 grit. See what she does today. Yeah. And there we have it. It's that simple. Alright, that's it. That's my process. And now she's truly flat and ready for some action. Okay. Same rule applies to wheels that are rounded. 200 grit. And as you can see, this is going to take a lot longer than a whetstone, because that whetstone that I just showed you, the flat stone there, the 6,000 grit, that is a finishing stone. This is more of a coarser grit, and needs to be dealt accordingly. Also, this is a wet water stone. Let me go ahead and place some more water into it, because right now it's a little low. See if that helps it out. There we go. That's a lot better. Another little thing I did is here is the Flatten. It's flat. And I go forward with a diamond. But it works. Now you can tell that this side here is higher than this side. And that is true. Let's see. As you can see, I'm getting very close now. All right, now final stretch, home. Alright, so what I'm going to do here now is, this plan is true, and now I'm going to place something flat onto here and make sure that I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. So anyways, that's how I do these wheels as well. Thanks for coming in and checking out this quick video. Until the next project, take care.